Hi guys, I'm at the orthodontist right now. Just came for a checkup and apparently I'm getting braces. Was not prepared. I'm really scared. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Ashton, I'm so scared. So I have a piece of food in my tube and right there. There's meat today. I have no flashbacks, so that's good.
Laura makes sure it does work.
So this is really scary.
Your teeth are stuck.
Okay, shut up. Let me talk. I had this one released, this one, and this one, and this one, and these two are gone, and all 6 teeth are stuck. So we're gonna try to put braces on me, get them unstuck. If they don't get unstuck, then apparently I'm getting fake teeth. So
You're getting fake teeth like an old lady.
you can't see that in my YouTube videos.
I was like, you're getting fake teeth like an old lady. Like fake teeth,
Oh.
not.
You guys, I'm shaking. So I just took ibuprofen with my Black Rock, and so that way it can be in my system for when I get them on afterwards, because I'm a big baby and I cry over everything, and I'm about to cry right now for no reason.
Mother's only enjoying herself because there's country music and just living the dream.
Anything else you wanted to ask?
She doesn't like the clear, even though her mom loves it. But she's told her mom to stop
Who
forcing her
guessed?
to.
None of us
You're not,
knew.
it's not close.
Thank you. We'll see you back when you guys come back.
Okay, so I'm not gonna show my mouth because
You're so dramatic. Like they didn't already see. Like they didn't already see, Morgan.
no, I didn't. So
How are you gonna do YouTube videos now?
I'm covering my mouth.
You're gonna be like, okay, so first you blended the cream.
So my mom made me get these ugly
You need to stop.
clear ones. And now she's grounding me currently because I got mad at her. I was like, why'd you make me get these ugly clear ones? I didn't want them. She's like, everybody wants those ones. Does it look like I wanted them? Nope. She's like, take your freaking friend home now and come home. I'm not going home. My God, not with the freaking devil. So,
You need to stop being
anyways.
your mom. She's so nice to you. She just spent like so much on your freaking braces.
yeah, with insurance. So,
Stop! You really don't look bad.
What are these? Oh my teeth aren't that crooked. So these
Okay, have a go.
these better move fast. I'm gonna talk like this for the rest of my life because.
For 2 years? They better move fast in 2 years.
Hi guys. So I had an emotional breakdown. As you guys can see, I was crying a lot because I don't like them, but like they're not that bad. I just ate Captain Crunch because I wanted to see if I was like used to it, like if it hurt to eat or anything, and it doesn't. So I'm just chilling. Not hurt yet, I should say. My eyelashes look like spider lashes because as you can tell, I've been crying a lot. So
Wanna get a pull up? Gonna treat my girl. Gonna treat my girl out.
So this is what they look like. They look really ugly. I have school soon, so everyone's gonna see me look ugly. Hi guys, it's the next day. I'm getting ready to go to a doctor's appointment, but my mouth like doesn't really hurt at all. It was hurting, like it didn't hurt when I first woke up, but like it started hurting. Here, I need to put on deodorant, so when I finish getting ready for my doctor's appointment, I'll talk to you. So it didn't really hurt like at first. It just kind of hurt like a few hours after I woke up, but then I took ibuprofen and now my mouth does like not hurt at all. So that's good. I think I'm gonna eat, but I'm scared to eat. I really don't like them. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please make sure to like and subscribe and turn on my post notifications so you get notified every time I upload. And from now on, I have these ugly things in my mouth.